Feeling trapped by debt? There's a way out. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a debt-free future? You're not alone. Millions of Americans are burdened by debt, feeling like they're stuck in a financial rut. But what if I told you there's a proven strategy to break free? It's called velocity banking, and it's changing the way people tackle debt and achieve financial freedom. It's not a magic bullet. It's a smart, strategic approach that leverages the power of your own money. By understanding and implementing the principles of velocity banking, you can accelerate your debt payoff, save money on interest, and unlock a world of financial possibilities. This isn't about complicated financial jargon or risky investments. It's about taking control of your finances and building a brighter future. Ready to break free from the chains of debt and embrace financial freedom? Let's dive in and explore the power of velocity banking. Think of your money like a river. Traditional banking is like a slow, meandering stream. It takes its sweet time getting where it needs to go. Velocity banking, on the other hand, is like rushing rapids, propelling your money with greater force and speed towards your financial goals. The core principle is simple: increase the velocity of your money. You do this by making more frequent strategic payments towards your debt. This reduces the principal balance faster, which means you pay less interest over the life of the loan. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill. As it gathers momentum, it grows bigger and bigger. Velocity banking works the same way. By consistently applying this strategy, you'll create a snowball effect, accelerating your progress and gaining financial momentum. It's not about earning more money, it's about optimizing how you use the money you already have. Ready to turn your financial trickle into a torrent? Let's explore the mechanics of velocity banking and how you can implement it in your own life. Velocity banking may sound complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Choose your weapon. The most common tool for velocity banking is a HELOC, or home equity line of credit. It acts like a giant credit card, but with a lower interest rate. You can also use a personal line of credit or even a credit card with a 0% introductory APR. 2. Target your enemy. Identify the debt you want to attack first. Focus on high-interest debts like credit cards or personal loans. 3. Line up your resources. Transfer your high-interest debt to your chosen tool, such as a HELOC or line of credit. This consolidates your debt and often lowers your interest rate. 4. Accelerate your payments. Instead of making minimum payments, make large, frequent payments towards your debt. This is where the velocity comes in. 5. Rinse and repeat. Once the first debt is conquered, move on to the next one. Continue this cycle until you're debt-free. This is a simplified overview. We'll dive deeper into specific strategies and examples later on. Remember, the key is to create a system that allows you to make more frequent strategic payments towards your debt. Let's meet Nadine, a single mom who was drowning in $20,000 of credit card debt. She was stuck in the minimum payment trap, barely making a dent in her balance. Then she discovered velocity banking.
I opened a HELOC with a 5% interest rate and transferred my credit card balances. I committed to making bi-weekly payments of $1,000 instead of my minimum payments of $500. By making more frequent payments, I reduced my principal faster, saving thousands in interest. Within 2 years, I was completely debt-free. I used the same velocity banking system to pay off my car loan early and am now on track to retire comfortably.
Sarah's story is a testament to the power of velocity banking. It's not a quick fix, but a strategic approach that requires discipline and commitment. The rewards, however, are life-changing. Benefits of velocity banking. More than just debt reduction. Velocity banking is not just about getting out of debt faster. It's about building a solid financial foundation and achieving your financial dreams. Here are some key benefits. Reduced interest payments. By paying down your principal faster, you save significant money on interest charges over the life of your loans. Increased cash flow. As you eliminate debt, you free up more cash flow each month, giving you more financial breathing room. Improved credit score. Consistently making on-time payments and reducing your debt-to-income ratio can boost your credit score, making you eligible for better loan terms in the future. Financial empowerment velocity. Banking empowers you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals faster. It's about more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in control of your financial future. Potential drawbacks. What to consider before diving in. While velocity banking offers significant advantages, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks before diving in. Discipline is key. Velocity banking requires discipline and commitment to making frequent on-time payments. Temptation to overspend. Using a HELOC or line of credit can be tempting for some, potentially leading to increased debt if not managed responsibly. Potential fees. HELOCs and other credit lines may come with fees such as annual fees or closing costs. Not a quick fix. Velocity banking is a strategy that requires time and consistent effort to see significant results. Before embarking on this journey, carefully assess your financial situation, spending habits, and ability to commit to the required discipline. Expert opinions, financial gurus. Weigh in on velocity banking. Financial experts have mixed opinions on velocity banking. Some praise its effectiveness in accelerating debt payoff, while others caution against potential risks.
Velocity banking can be a powerful tool for those committed to eliminating debt, says David Bach, author of The Automatic Millionaire. However, it's crucial to have a solid budget and spending plan in place to avoid falling deeper into debt. Suze Orman, personal finance guru and author, advises caution. While velocity banking can be effective, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, she says. It's crucial to carefully consider your financial situation and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions.
As with any financial strategy, it's essential to gather information from reputable sources and make informed decisions based on your individual circumstances. Velocity banking versus traditional methods, a head-to-head comparison. How does velocity banking stack up against traditional debt repayment methods like the snowball or avalanche methods? Accelerated debt payoff, potential for significant interest savings, increased cash flow. Requires discipline and commitment, potential for increased debt if not managed responsibly, potential fees. Provides motivational wins by paying off smallest debts first, simple to understand and implement. May not be the most mathematically efficient method, could result in paying more interest over time. Mathematically sound, focuses on paying off highest interest debts first, saves the most money on interest. Can be less motivating if initial progress seems slow, may take longer to experience the psychological wins of paying off debts. The best method for you depends on your individual financial situation, personality, and goals. Tips for success: maximizing your velocity banking journey. Ready to embark on your velocity banking journey? Here are some tips to maximize your success. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back and free up more cash for debt repayment. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment and maintain consistent momentum. Resist the temptation to overspend or accumulate new debt while implementing velocity banking. Regularly monitor your progress to stay motivated and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to discuss your specific situation and receive personalized advice. Remember, velocity banking is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay committed, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Take control and unleash your financial power. You have the power to break free from the chains of debt and create a brighter financial future. Velocity banking is not a magic bullet, but a proven strategy that can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. By understanding the principles of velocity banking and implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, you can take control of your finances, reduce your debt burden, and unlock a world of possibilities. Imagine a life where you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, where you have the financial freedom to pursue your dreams and secure your family's future. That life is within your reach. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Don't wait another day to take charge of your financial destiny. Start your velocity banking journey today. 1. Research and learn more about velocity banking to determine if it's the right strategy for you. 1. Create a detailed budget, set financial goals, and outline your velocity banking strategy. 1. Open a HELOC, line of credit, or utilize a credit card with a 0% introductory April 1st. Make consistent on-time payments and track your progress regularly. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but with each step you take, you'll gain momentum and move closer to the financial freedom you deserve. Start your journey today.